Okay, I accidentally clicked that lab shell away. I wasn't quite done with it. So energy and momentum. So I just showed you the pre and post lab. As I said, it looks kind of similar to quizzes. And here now the original lab sheets. What you have to hand in is the lab assignment. The original lab sheets are taken from my on-campus class, and they only serve as guidelines. And the reason is you don't have the same equipment that I have in the classroom. So just use them, but don't read through the entire thing. There's no need for it. And don't hand that in either. I want to have the other lab assignment. Let's see, I think it's still opening it. Okay. Yeah, okay, this is, I had to check actually that I'm recording. So this is the original lab sheet, but as I said, only use it as a guideline and don't fill this one in. You fill in the lab assignment sheet. Okay, I think that's what I want to say about labs. Oh, yeah, and then here, beneath that line here, this is important here. This is again my recordings on YouTube. So when I click on this, you actually get to the same shell that I showed you earlier, where the first ones are pertinent to the lab. Notice that apparently I have 4, 7, 8 videos or recordings that show you how to do this lab, and then the rest here again are those UOIT problems and then the Cutnell problems. So this one here also links to these here, and that's highly advisable that you watch these. And then I guess I have sometimes something else posted there. Okay, that's the labs. And then of course email you. Whoops, I go over here. Actually, I'm gonna go back to the front page. Email, you click on it, and then you can send me an email, or you can send an email to other people. I guess if you send one here to me, let's see, that should only go to me, right? That makes sense. ELife. I haven't made one yet. I guess I should create one. In fact, I can do that right now. Session name. No, that's not how I name it. Yeah, I want to name it something else. In fact, I call it recitation. And I'm recording this here for summer, prior to summer 2010, but I hope to use it for a long time, and this will be fine. There we go. And there we go, and we have it available for the entire semester. There it is. You would click on it, recitation, and it says launch session. And this is kind of weird. As far as I understand, you actually have to hit the no here. This doesn't quite make sense, but that's what I heard, that you have to do that, or maybe I have to do it on my computer. And then it uploads this here. I already have the ELife software on my computer, but of course you may not. So so it downloads it for you, and it's free, and it just takes a couple of minutes to download usually. And then this is where we would work in these ELife sessions. These recitation sessions are not mandatory, so you may show up, but you don't have to. And of course I appreciate it if you do show up. Let's see. So that was the ELife. And then the discussion board. This is where I'd like you to introduce yourself, and then I already have posted some physics questions and class business questions that are historically what I got from previously taught classes. And that's the discussion board. And then on my grades, that's of course where you can see your grades and your scores. If I click on it, nothing will happen, because it just will give me an error, because I'm not a student in this class. And that is actually a pretty good overview of this course.